Hi guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video, I'll be showing you how you can make a Facebook cover in Canva. So let's go to the browser first. Right here Canva and search it to Google. Then log into your Canva account. After logging in, you will find a search bar here. Just write here Facebook cover and press enter from your keyboard. After pressing enter, you will find Facebook cover templates, which is 22,973, which is many huge templates you will find here. Just choose one which is relevant to your company or your profile and start customizing. So let's choose one. Let's choose this one. So if you want to customize this profile, if you want to customize this profile, click on customize this template. After clicking on this, you will your work will be here. Now you can edit every portion you want. Okay, so if you want to edit this guy, I mean if you want to remove this picture and add your picture or your company picture, then how you can do this? Click on this and click backspace from your keyboard. It will be removed and you have to go to uploads and upload a file from your computer. Okay, so after uploading it, it will be here. So choose that picture and it will be like this. Then drag this from your mouse to here and it will be automatically adjusted. Okay guys, so now if you can see here your company logo, you can if you want to delete it, click backspace, it will be delete, or if you want to undo it, click this undo button, it will be here again. So here's the creative business agency. If you want to edit this portion and add your company name, just double click on this and click backspace, it will be removed, and add your company like gautech.com. And you can see here we can pair you. If you want to edit this portion too, just click on this and remove from your keyboard by backspace and write the thing you want to add here. Okay, so here's the same thing. If you want to edit this portion, double click on this, backspace from your keyboard and add your website here, gautech.com. Okay, now if you want to change the background color, you can see here the blue background. If you want to change it, just click on this once and you will find here color. Go to color and you will find many colors here. Just choose one, like this, this, or this. This will be changed like this. Okay, so guys, basically after completing your work, how you can download it, go to share button and after scrolling you will find download button. If you click on download, this work will be downloaded in your system or computer. Or if you want to share this work with someone, just click on this here and write the email address you want to share with, @gmail.com. so after clicking send, this work will be sent to this email address. Okay guys, so basically this is how you can make a Facebook cover in Canva. Guys, if you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.